Hello, we went to Johnny Rockets and this is what we find there. This is what we found there. Are you familiar with this karaoke jukebox machine? This is kinda a little bit techy. So, yan po ay maliit na pipindutan nyo po. You can pick and there is this machine right there playing right now Christmas song. Ayan. So, ganyan po ang itsura niya mga lalabs. Familiar po kayo sa Pilipinas sa mga karaoke machines. Dati, ngayon meron na iba-ibang klase na rin. Pero this is like a jukebox. Na so nice. Look at that. Pwede po kayo mag-request ng iyong favorite song. Tracking down memory lane. Ayan. So, pipili po kayo ng number as usual. So, dito po nag-start ang mga platinum. Bye!